Welcome to this Getting Started guide of Shimmer++. This video will cover showcasing the app built using Shimmer++ libraries in different platforms. The application mints, sends, and burns NFTs. We will start showcasing the application in Firefox and as a desktop application. We will see how an NFT can be used as a wallet. At the end, we will show the application running in Android and in a Raspberry Pi. Let's go. Shimmer++ allows to run applications on different platforms. Platforms like desktop, browser, embedded device, and mobile. The development and deployment become smooth thanks to CMake and Qt. Start by going to the application GitHub repo. The link is on the description. We will be working with the 0.5 release. Click on the repo page. The browser will download and execute the application, and then we have the app running on your browser. We will also execute the application as a desktop application. For that, we will download the release for Linux. Testing the application in other platforms will be highly appreciated. Let's extract the content. The app should be in the bin directory. Execute the program. Now the app is not finding OpenCV libraries, although the libraries are present on the lib folder. We need to set the LD library path environment variable. And the app is running as a Linux desktop application. We can notice that the style is different from the web app. This is because you can choose the style. Let's choose the same style as the web app. We also need to set an environment variable for the app to find our style. Now both applications look the same, just notice that they have different accounts. To use the app we need funds. Because the app connects by default to the testnet, we can ask fund to the faucet. Copy the address and paste it in this web page. And we have money. In the settings, we can change the node and network we are connecting. And you can see how the addresses change and the available amount change. In this case, this is a mainnet of Shimmer, where sadly we don't have money. And this one is the mainnet of IOTA, where we are poor again. This version of the app is intended to be used in the testnet, so let's connect to the testnet. Let's try to mint an NFT. Click on the Add New. One can set the immutable metadata and the immutable issuer of the NFT. For the immutable metadata, we will copy from the Ape DAO project, because I like these ape pictures. We paste it and we will set the issuer to the account main address. In the future, the app will support setting the issuer as an alias address to be able to dispose the app after use. Let's change the name to parent. This will be of use in the future. Okay, mint, and let's wait a bit. Let's create another one. Now we can set the previous NFT as the issuer, just as one do when creating a collection. We can do that because the previous NFT is minted and its address is controlled by our application. We can check the NFT address on the Explorer that it exists. Let's set that address as issuer and change the name to child. Let's mint it. As you can see, the application balance stays the same because all these assets are under control of the application. Now it's minted and one can see that the child has also an address and the issuer is the parent. Okay, let's test the browser application. We will allow the browser app to control the child for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, if the browser app does not claim the NFT, the latter will be controlled again by the desktop app. Here I am setting the return address, the desktop application address. Wait for the transaction to be accepted by the nodes. While doing the video, I have realized that I should add a claim button also. And now the child is controlled by the browser app. So the desktop app now has lost some balance because it has lost control over the child NFT and its storage deposit. If we wait the 2 minutes, we see how the desktop app gains control over the child again. A very nice property of NFTs on Shimmer is that they can control other assets. We will send the child NFT to the parent NFT address. Doing that, the parent NFT now controls the child NFT. Because our desktop app controls the parent, we are still controlling the child. Let's check at the Explorer that the parent address is in the child address unlock condition. Go to the output and we see that they match. If now I set the web application as the control of the parent, it will also control the child. But the application takes care of not losing control of the child when sending NFT to other addresses. As one can see, the child is still controlled by the desktop app. Again, we will send the child to the parent NFT address. Because the web app controls the parent, it also now controls the child. In the same way, the app lets you burn the parent without losing control over the assets. So we are still owning, controlling the child and all the base tokens. Finally, we have these send all buttons that will clear the application account of all the assets. Let's create more NFTs. And send everything to the web app. And all the assets are now controlled by the web app. Let's run the application on an Android device. Go to the GitHub releases and download the Android ones for your device. Install the APK on your device. And the app is up and running on Android. This video is to showcase how the Shimmer++ libraries work in different platforms. One can see how the application can connect to different nodes. Let's fund the application account to show that it can also mint and burns NFT. Of course, this kind of application is not suitable for an Android phone, but one can see that the Shimmer++ libraries can be integrated, for example, in Android games that could exploit the powerful tokenization framework on Shimmer. Also, Shimmer++ applications will run on iOS devices, but I cannot showcase that because I am poor. Okay, let's run the application in a Raspberry Pi 3B. The Raspberry Pi runs a minimal Linux system produced using Yocto recipes. The link of the OE layer is on the description of this video. The Raspberry Pi runs the application almost after boot. It does not need a desktop system to run the app because it only depends on the Qt libraries. Again, this application is not meant to be used in a Raspberry Pi, but one can sync in IoT devices that can process payments in Shimmer-based coins. Devices that could give native tokens and discounts to loyal customers and benefit from the decentralization of the network. You can do that and more with the Shimmer++ libraries. And this is all for this video. Make sure to check the Shimmer++ blog for more information. The link will be on the description. Remember that this is a community effort, so try it and improve it. In the following videos, I will showcase an IoT device that uses NFTs as tickets. So subscribe to this channel on my Twitter account to get the notification. See you in the next one.